Everybody, Sandy here from CryptoCompare.com and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and easy method to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency if you are a complete beginner. Really easy to do. All you need is a BitC exchange account, Binance, BitMax account. There are hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges out there. However, for the purpose of today's video, we will be using BitC, and I'll go more into the reasons why I'm a big advocate of this exchange in the coming moments. Also want to look at a trading view account. You don't have to use this, but it does help. More and more exchanges now, such as BitC and others, Binance, are incorporating trading view into within their platforms. So they're taking TradingView's API and they're putting it into their platforms by default. It does give you a lot more indicators than what you'd get. If we go over to TradingView real quickly, I won't go. You can see you can set up a free account. The pro account starts at about $12. Just bear in mind, with a free account, you are limited to about 3 indicators, I think it is. But for the beginners trading, you do only need 3 indicators. But yeah, we won't go into TradingView. There are links in the description below. We'll jump straight onto exchange and we'll show you TradingView built into the exchange when we come to teach you about cryptocurrency trading. And next, you're going to need to be able to quickly analyze the cryptocurrency market. Now, you can go ahead and go to our site, CryptoCompare.com, go to the currencies and click currencies. And you can see here that we have all the coins listed by market cap. So they're in the pages of 100. And it shows you all the basic stats that you need. If we just click on Bitcoin for a moment, it will show you the live price traded. That's the live average price across a number of different exchanges. Volume, 24-hour percentage of gains and losses, the overall market cap, the position. Then shows you a nice little chart where you can look at the daily, 7-day, monthly, or you can go right through the year. And then obviously this chart's interactive as well. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy direct through us, and we use Binance. It does help the channel, so you can click that link there. We give you a bit of information about each coin. We have links to the Block Explorer, the official website, the white papers, their YouTube channel, date it was incorporated, GitHub and Facebook. You can also see what exchanges it is trading on, obviously BitMEX being the one due to the leverage and margin trading you can do on BitMEX. And then we have the historical data, so it shows you it's all up to date and you can go back through the days, and it shows you the price, the volume and the market cap per day. A bit more advanced, shows you probably too much than what you need for the state of this video, but really good addition that we added to our site using CoinMarketCap's APIs. But we'll jump on to CoinMarketCap. Finally, you're going to need an account on our exchange. Like I say, we're using BitC, links in the description for BitC below. It's going to be a really simple and easy way to trade cryptocurrency. Just follow along with the video. If you're not quite sure of any parts, pause it, come back to it. Any bits of advice you've missed or you want some clarity on, and you can easily, like I say, make $50 to $100 a day, extra money to help pay any everyday bills, expenses, whilst learning a skill which will allow you to earn daily passive income. If you do like the sound of this video and you are interested in seeing more videos about cryptocurrency trading, decentralized applications, dApps, along with any crypto related news, then please, if you haven't already done so, give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's get into the video. So if you're not already just tuning in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money trading Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency if you're a beginner or a newbie to crypto. And if you've been in crypto a couple of weeks or a few months or a couple of years in my case, this isn't a guaranteed method. It is one of the easiest ways to trade cryptocurrency as a beginner without overcomplicating it. Obviously, as you learn this skill, you then go on and use your own markers, your own indicators, and then you find your own coins based on volatility as well. That being said, this isn't financial advice, people. Please do your own homework, do your own due diligence before you make any decisions. Like I've said, this isn't financial advice. I class it as financial freedom, if I'm honest. It's the reason I got into cryptocurrency trading, and I'm sure it's one of the reasons why you're watching this video today. So, we're on CoinMarketCap. No, you'll see by default, it will show all the trading volume and prices in USD. Whilst you can buy and sell and trade in USD or USD Tether, majority of your trading will always be done to Bitcoin, so you want to change this to the BTC value. Okay, and then what we're looking for coins that have had a lot of losses and gains, a lot of volatility in the last 24 hours, along with a lot of volume in trading within the last 24 hours. So you'd come to here and you'd look at the change in 24-hour volume. You just click it once. That shows the market gains in the last 24 hours. So there's some good coins. Now, you don't really want to be buying a coin at the top because there's not as much profit. So what you want to do, you want to check out the losers. There's going to be a lot of coins that you may not have heard of, a lot of coins that have no real purpose. So as you get more advanced and as you get more into cryptocurrency trading, you want to look at the coins that have some sort of real value, some real life purpose. Now, there's 2,380 different cryptocurrencies. Within the next 12 to 18 months, I think we're going to see a massive drop off in these coins as the market continues to grow, and you will see coins that are providing real value to the world, real value to the marketplace. They're the ones that you want to be looking at trading in, investing in as well. So you can see here, there's some here, 13%, Clipper coin, never heard of it. Next, V Systems, VMAX, Tron. So Tron is one that I'm heavily invested in due to the DApp space that we do with CryptoComparer.com. Now you can see here that the price of that is 231 Satoshis and there's 3% volume in that. So easy maths, if I was to use $100 of trading and I traded this and then sold it higher, I could make 3% profit, $3 in it. You do that a few times a day. But yeah, so we'll look at Tron and we'll look at others. For the purpose of this video though, we are going to be looking at Beaksy. Before we jump onto the exchange, if you don't know how to purchase Bitcoin and you are new to cryptocurrency trading, after all, this is a beginner's guide to trading cryptocurrency. We will make a video on this showing the easiest ways. You can use Coinbase, that's one of the most popular ways. You just have to do basic KYC, or you can use Wirex. Now there are links to both of these in the descriptions below. If you use the link below to purchase $100 or more of Bitcoin using Coinbase, then you will get an extra $10 if you don't already have an account. So that's well worth doing. Or Wirex, which is a good cryptocurrency alternative. They give you a prepaid Visa debit card, which you can then use in any ATM or cash machine. So I'll just show you TradingView briefly on a coin, but we are going to be trading Beaksy for the purposes of this video. We talked about Tron, so if we go over to TradingView and we look at TRX, which is the ticker for Tron, to BTC, you can see Binance. So we're not trading this on Binance, we're just looking at the actual indicators, and then we will add them on as well. So it comes here, this is, I've not logged in, so this is the demo account that you would get. And you just need 3 indicators. Okay, so this is what you're greeted with. We will go into more detailed videos and how to do videos. There will be a series based on how-to videos for Beaksy that will be on the main page of Crypto Comparer, and we'll have a separate playlist for that. Quick, easy 5-10 minute videos showing you what are candles, how to trade, how to limit and market buy as well. Okay, so the indicators that you need when you come, so you come there and you go to indicators and then you search, you will need is an RSI or stock stochastic RSI. Okay, you will need MACD, and then you want Bollinger Bands. It should look something like this. So we take that off. So what you're looking for, this is the daily chart. Okay, so it shows you the daily highs and lows of Tron. So we have a good indicator. We can see that it's being sold off at the moment. We can see that's across on the MACD. Now if you day trading, you're normally looking at the 5 to 15 minute windows, but if you start with a daily and then work your way backwards, it does give you a quick indicator of where the market is for this coin. So if we go to the 5 minute charts, just close that down, hide that for now. Okay, so what we're looking for profitable trades. We're looking for trades of around about 1 to 3% or higher. and trades that are consistently there within volatile coins based on 24-hour volume. Now the MACD, a lot of people will use MACD strategy. It isn't guaranteed, so this is why we're using 3 indicators, because not one indicator is relevant over the other one. So what you're looking for is, you're looking for a cross upwards on the MACD, you're looking for a cross upwards on the RSI, and you're looking to gain an entry point basically at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and then you can ride it through to the average here, and maybe sell 50% or keep it through depending on where the market's going. If you still see it's going to go up, then obviously you'd sell here. So what you're doing is you're buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, and so on, and then you're just chipping away and you're making that profit. So to look at Tron at the moment, I don't think there's much profit in Tron. So you can see there's like a 1% trade. So obviously you have to take into account your trading fees and how much you're buying. You would need large quantities to make any profit off Tron. But these are the indicators that we're using. I'm going to show you this on a trading account. So we're going to go over to Beaksy. Okay. Now, if you haven't already made an account with Beaksy, make an account with Beaksy. The reason I have chosen Beaksy is it's a brand new exchange. It allows US citizens, is one of the very few that's fully regulated. You just have to do KYC. It has an amazing team behind them. The transaction per end and the transactions per second is equal to the NASDAQ. They are only just launched at the middle of June, and the volatility is there in the coins, and this exchange is only going to go and grow and grow and grow and grow. Plus, if you sign up using our link below, okay, once you've passed the KYC, which is easy enough to do, you will receive platinum level benefits for the first 2 months of active trading. Okay, so platinum level is the highest level you can get. This gives you 20% discount of all trading fees and an increased withdrawal limit of up to 200 Bitcoin a day. Okay, 200 Bitcoin a day. You can see from the exchange, I've already got the same indicators that we had on TradingView. On my Beaksy account, you can see, so from now on all trading that I do is just directly on here. You can see there's our MACD, there's the RSI, there's the Bollinger Bands, and there's the trading volume. So what you'd do is you'd go to your wallet, you'd send over Bitcoin to your wallet. You have Bitcoin in your wallet, you're looking to find a good entry and exit point. If you're not too bothered about an exit and entry point at this stage, and you can see you just come online, you can see there's a cross here. This is getting into the overbought zone at the moment on the RSI, but there's no turn. So you might want to hang fire, or if you think that there's going to be a sudden increase in volume, what you do here is you would change this to a market buy. Okay, so market buy just allows you to buy it at the market price, to basically get in, get the Beaksy token straight away, or Bitcoin or whatever other token, and then buy it with your Bitcoin. Okay, so you'd come to here, you'd do that, you'd enter the amount in BTC you'd want to do, and then you just click buy, done straight away. Limit orders is what you'll use most often, as this basically allows you to control your buy and sell price, your entry and exit. So I'm going to show you an example of a potential buy and exit, and we'll use the ruler indicator as profit, and how 2 or 3 of these trades a day, depending on the volume, if not more, will get you $50 to $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Now, I have Beaksy on here. Obviously, I've been buying it and trading it as well. But what you do, you'd have your Bitcoin on here. We'd then change that to, by default, it's set to limit. So now what we'd do, we'd be looking at the MACD and we'd be looking at the RSI. So we can see that the MACD is crossing up, and we can see that the volume is going up. We can see it is kind of overbought. So you would be looking at a correction here, and you can see that it's above the middle Bollinger Band. So whilst one indicator is decent, I wouldn't personally trade on one indicator. I'd look to trade on at least a 2 or 3. So you've given your skills and more of an educated guess of where the market's going. So say, for example, we was to buy back here at 502. We would then come here and we'd say, I would want to buy, I don't know, 10,000 Beaksy, and we want to buy it at 502. So you can have a click on the 502 and it'll put it there, or you can physically type it in. So that was going to cost us 10,000 will cost us $500, 1,000 will cost us $50. Okay, so say 10,000 there. So then we'd buy them, and we'd buy them at 502, and they would then show here. And then what we're doing is we'd then watch on the 5 minute, or we watch on the 3 minute, depending on where, and see where the market goes. And then we'll touch more on support and resistance line, but you can see there's a big sell order there, so it will go up a bit, but it may start to turn around based on the 626 or a bit higher, maybe on the 540. So if you go to click this little ruler cut tool here, if we bought in at 502 and then we say we sold at 525, that would be a profit of 4.5%. Obviously you take trading fees into account, so about 4% profit. If we were to sell, say, get a bit greedy and ride it up to the 540 mark, that would be a 7% profit. So 7.5% profit. So we've got 10,000 here, yeah, and we sold it at 7.5% profit of that. So what we're doing is then we would then sell that and we would keep the difference in Bitcoin. Beaksy have also, which what I like about Beaksy is they've added let's just get off that a second. They've had a nice little profit and loss calculator, so you can see market maker and takers when you buy it. So if we had the amount of Beaksy here that we were going to buy is 10,000, we were going to buy it at 0.0000502. We're going to sell it at 0.0000540. You can see that our percentage would be 7.5%, or that would, our profit would be 0.0038 Bitcoin. So this is just one trade, and we go over to Google real quick. And if you just type into Google BTC to USD, that is a $38 trade. Okay, so that's a trade that would have took us from here to here. Let's have a look, 3, 4. So it would have took us about, depending, it may take a few hours. It all depends on the volume. Like I say, this is a new exchange. The reason I'm on exchange is because the profit is here, the trades are here, and this exchange is only going to grow as big as Binance. These trades, as you can see, they're there, the trades are there. So you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, and then you keep the profit. You can then put the profit back into your wallet, back into your bank account. Very, very easy. 2 or 3 trades this a day, easily $50 to $100 in cryptocurrency trading and profit. Just to recap then, check out the daily chart, look for coins with biggest losses, 24-hour volume, then go into an exchange like Beaksy that we've got here, look at your entry and exit points. Trades can take anywhere from, like I say, a couple of minutes to a couple of hours, just all depends on the volatility. You're looking for coins that have got at least 1 to 3% volatility. If you look within the Bollinger Bands here, if you used to buy here and then sell here, it's 7%. So this is why I'm using Beaksy, and this is why I'm trading the Beaksy token while it's still so new. That's it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video at all, learned something new, anything whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know your thoughts, your strategies, where you guys have tuned in from. And finally, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already done so, please remember to hit the subscribe button and the notifications buttons next to it. That's the little bell button which will notify you when we publish future videos. But until next time, everybody, it's goodbye from me. Bye, guys.